to the Entrepreneurial CPA Show. We're here to take that deep dive you need in the knowledge to break free of the box and punch above your weight. I'm Garrett Wagner, your Entrepreneurial CPA channel co-host, coming at you today with a special. Hey, the extended tax season of 2020. We hit our first due date. No longer April 15th, now July 15th. And I want to talk about the number one thing you need to do to move past it, even during the time of COVID. Because we all know every April 15th, we feel that pain. We feel that pain of the deadline. It just hits us right in our stomach. We take forever to recover from it, just to repeat again in the fall. So how do we break free of that cycle, grow our firm, become more successful? I want to spend some time to talk about with you here today. I want you to think about it in a light. Break the cycle. Break the Groundhog Day you're living with. Another deadline, another tax season. And I want you to really do something very different that you're going to feel uncomfortable with. But being uncomfortable is how we grow. I want you to think about this, the deadline that just happened, what just happened. And I want you to fire some of your clients. That's right. Even this during time of COVID, you need to fire your D clients or your Fs if you got them. Those clients that you know every year drag you down on the deadline. Those clients every year that come at the last minute. The clients that wait until April 15th at 4 o'clock and come in and ask you to finish their stuff. Those clients are dragging you down. They're making your firm suffer. They're making your people suffer more than ever before. And that's why now, if you want to move past these busy seasons, you want to grow your firm in the firm of tomorrow and stop being caught in the past. It's time to let these clients go. They're only holding you back. They're only holding your firm back. So do it. And one of the best parts, if you can do that, don't do it in the silence. Don't do it in the shadows. I'm not saying be super excited when you fire your clients to them, but internally at the firm, celebrate the fact that you let those clients go. Because the people that are at your firm that are dealing with those difficult D and F clients, they feel that pain just like you do. They feel that pain in the pit of their stomach when those people come in. So make a big deal out of that. Celebrate it. It's something to be excited for right now as we get into the summer of 2020. Fire your D and F clients, especially those ones that come in on the deadline, that make everybody's life more miserable and difficult than it needs to be. Let them go. Focus on your good clients, your best clients. Focus on them. Help them. Be proactive with them. Understand their needs. Do all those things we talk about. You know, if you've watched our other show, A Look into the Future, you know what I'm talking about. Focus on your successful clients, your big clients, the clients that don't come in last minute. And that's my biggest tip. You want to turn things around. You want to get out of the tax season loop and grind. It's time to let some clients go. Celebrate it at your firm and watch everybody around you be excited for something right now, which you need more than ever before. If you think I'm crazy, if you're not sure how to do this, hit me up. I'm more than happy to talk to each of you about how to do this and share how we do it inside our firm and how we help other firms do this, let go of their bottom level clients to become more successful and get their team more excited to be there and take some pressure off their plate. So there's one thing that's for certain right now, we can all use a little less stress and pressure in our lives. So as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget, click to subscribe. Stay up to date with everything on this show and the other shows on our channel. So you can every day take action to change this crazy world we live in and continue, as always, to invest in yourself.